ॐ शुक्लां भरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करभावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अगजानन पद्मार्कं गजाननमहर्निशम् अनेकदन्तं भक्तानाम् एकदन्तमुपास्महे। श्रीमहागणपतये नमः। गुरवे सर्वलोकानां भिषजे भवरोगिणां निधये सर्वविद्यानां श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। वसुदेवसुतं देवं कंसचाणूरमर्दनं देवकी परमानन्दं कृष्णं वन्दे जगद्गुरुं। ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां श्रीहयग्रीवमुपास्महे। श्रीहयग्रीवमूर्तये नमः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। श्रीमहासरस्वत्यै नमः। उमाकोमलहस्ताब्जसम्भावितललाटकं हिरण्यकुण्डलं वन्दे कुमारं पुष्करस्रजं। வெற்றிவேல் முருகனுக்கு ஹரஹரோஹரா. லோகவீரியம் மகாபூஜ்யம் சர்வரக்ஷாகரம் விபும் பார்வதி ஹிருதயானந்தம் சாஸ்தாரம் பிரணமாம்யகம். சுவாமியே சரணமையப்பா. வாகர்த்தாபிவ சம்பிரக்தௌ வாகர்த்த பிரதிபத்தயே जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। श्री पार्वती परमेश्वराभ्यां नमः। कोमलं कूजयन् वेणुं श्यामलोऽयं कुमारकः वेदवेद्यं परब्रह्म तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। अस्मद्गुरुचरणारविन्दाभ्यां नमः। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्द हरे मुरारे श्रीनाथ नारायण वासुदेव। पीताम्बरं करविराजितचक्रशङ्खकौमोदकी सरसिजं करुणासमुद्रं राधासहायम् अतिसुन्दरमन्दहासं वातालयेशम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। कृष्णो रक्षतु मां चराचरगुरुः कृष्णं नमस्ये सदा। कृष्णेनैव सुरक्षितोऽहमसकृते कृष्णाय दत्तं मनः। कृष्णादेव समुद्भवो मम विभो कृष्णस्य दासोऽस्म्यहं। कृष्णे भक्तिरचञ्चलास्तु भगवन्। हे कृष्ण तुभ्यं नमः। श्री गुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। नम्राणां सन्निधत्ते सततमपि पुरस्तैरणभ्यर्थितानपि आर्तान् कामानजस्रं वितरति परमानन्दसान्द्रां गतिं च। इत्थं निःशेषलभ्यो निरवधिकफलः पारिजातो हरे त्वं क्षुद्रं तं शक्रवाठी ध्रुममभिलषति व्यर्थमर्त्यव्रजोऽयं। श्रीगुरुवायूरप्पा शरणं। श्रीः भट्टपादम् अनिशं हृदि भावयामि। वंशी विभूषितकरात् नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरात् अरुणबिम्बफलाधरोष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखात् अरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परं किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। കൈരണ്ടും കൂപ്പി ഞാൻ വീണ്ടുമീറക്കുന്നു നീരജലോചന നിന്നോടായി. ഏതീനു മന്യനെ കുംഭീരേന്ദാത്തോരു പ്രീതിയിൽ നീ എന്നെ പാലിക്കുന്നായി. കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ ജയ കൃഷ്ണ ഹരേ. Welcome everyone. Good evening. Like I was telling earlier, Saturday, folks, thanks for adjusting and joining today because I'm not available. So I think we just have 2 stanzas left, right, in the 100th chapter. So we'll finish that off. So today we'll have Sindhuji. You can be a student. Sri Devi Garu, are you there? Yeah, Sri Devi Garu, you can be a student. Okay,
Sure,
and then maybe we'll switch halfway to someone. So other than those 2, anyone who wants to chant 100th, I think no, other than you, Sindhu, you and Sri Devi Garu, because you both
I can chant, Andy.
Okay, all right, go ahead, Jyoti Garu.
Give me 1 second, please. I may not be good with the tune, but I'll try.
Yeah, no worries, go ahead.
Okay. श्रीमन्नारायणीये शततमं दशकं केशादिपादवर्णनम् अग्रे पश्यामि तेजो निबडतर कलायावलीलोभनीयं पीयूषाप्लावितोऽहं तदनु तदुदरे दिव्यकैशोरवेशं तारुण्यारम्भरम्यं परमसुकरसास्वादरोमाञ्चिताङ्गैः आवीतं नारदाद्यैः विलसदुपनिषत् सुन्दरी मण्डलैश्च नीलाभं कुञ्चिताग्रं घनममलतरं संयतं चारुभङ्ग्या रत्नोत्तं साभिरामं वलयितमुदयच्चन्द्रकैपिञ्चजालैः मन्दारसृङ्निवीतं तव पृथुकबरे भारमालोकयेऽहम् स्निग्धश्वेतोर्ध्वपुण्ड्रामपि च सुललितां पालबालेन्दुवीतीं हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृदुलहरी चञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धपक्ष्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुग्धतारम् कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यतां मय्यनाथे उत्तुङ्गोल्लासिनासं हरिमणिमुकुरप्रोल्ल सद्गण्डपाली व्यालोलत्कर्णपाशाञ्चितमकरमणिकुण्डलद्वन्द्वदीप्रम् उन्मीलद्दन्तपङ्क्तिस्फुरदरुणतरच्छाय बिम्बाधरान्तः प्रतिप्रस्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरतरम् वक्त्रमुद्भासतां मे
Jyoti Garu, the last line, Preeti. Last 4th line, first word, Preeti.
Yeah.
Prasyanti.
Preeti Prasyanti Mandasmita Vaktramuddhasatam me Bahudvandvena Ratnojvala Valaya Bruta Shonapani Pravale Nopattam Venunalim Prasrutanakhamayukhanguli Sangasharam कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविकसद्रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरतभुवनैः सिञ्च मे कर्णवीतीम् उत्सर्पत्कौस्तुभश्रीततिभिररुणितं कोमलं कण्ठदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं तरलतरसमुद्दीप्रहारप्रतानं नानावर्णप्रसूनावलिकिसलयिनीं वन्यमालां विलोलल्लोलाम्बां लम्बमानामुरसि तव तथा भावये रत्नमालाम् अंगे पंचांगरागैः अतिशय विकसत् सौरभाकुष्ठलोकं लीनानेकत्रिलोकी विततमपि कृशां बिभ्रतं मध्यवल्लीं
Jyoti Garu, the second line, Vitatimapi.
विततिमपि sorry लीनानेकत्रिलोकी विततिमपि कृशां बिभ्रतं मध्यवल्लीं शक्राश्मन्यस्ततप्तोज्ज्वलकनकनिभं पीतचेलं दधानं ध्यायामो दीप्तरश्मिस्फुटमणिरशना किङ्किणी मण्डितं त्वाम् ऊरू चारु तवोरु घनमश्रुनरुचौ चित्तचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमनिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनधृतसमस्तार्धपाली समुद्गच्छायं जानुद्वयं च क्रमपृतुलमनोज्ञे च जङ्घे निषेवे
Jyoti
मञ्जी
garu, Jyoti, sorry, third line after purastat there is a comma. Okay, we pause
oh
that.
okay
Okay, you don't
आनम्राणां
have to repeat it.
पुरस्तात्
That's okay.
okay okay sorry I put it but I didn't
No worries.
मञ्जीरं मञ्जुनादैरिव पदभजनं श्रेय इत्यालपन्तं पादाग्रं भ्रान्ति मज्जत्प्रणतजनमनो मन्दरोद्धारकूर्मम् उत्तुङ्गा ताम्रराजन्नखरहिमकरज्योत्स्नया चाश्रितानां सन्तापद्वान्तहन्त्रीं ततिमनुकलये मङ्गला मङ्गुलीनाम्.
Very nice. Nice. Looks like you practiced it really well. So very good job.
Thank you. Sorry, I missed a little words.
No, that's okay. Who else wants to do it? Oh, Jayashree, you go.
I can also do Rajesh Kari.
Oh, Jayashree said first. So
No problem, no problem.
I'm just seeing who said it. So yeah, go ahead, Jayashree. Or maybe Jayashree, you do half and Srilata do half, right? You can do 5 and 4. Okay.
Dashakam 100 Keshadipada Varnanam. Agre pashyami tejo nibidatarакala yavali lobhaniyam piyushaplavitoham tadanu tadudare divya kaishoravesham tarunyarambharamyam paramasukha तारुण्यारम्भरम्यं परमसुखरसास्वादरोमाञ्चिताङ्गैः आवीतं नारदाध्यैः विलसदुपनिषत्सुन्दरी मण्डलैश्च नीलाभं कुञ्चिताग्रं घनममलतरं संयतं चारुभङ्ग्या रत्नोत्तंसाभिरामं वलयतमुदयच्चन्द्रकैः पिञ्चजालैः मन्दारस्रंनिवीतं तव पृथुकबरी भारमालोकयेऽहं स्निग्धश्वेतोर्ध्वपुण्ड्रामपि च सुललितां फालबालेन्दुवीथीं हृद्यं पूर्णानुकम्पार्णवमृदुलहरी चञ्चलभ्रूविलासैः आनीलस्निग्धपक्ष्मावलिपरिलसितं नेत्रयुग्मं विभोते सान्द्रच्छायं विशालारुणकमलदलाकारमामुग्धतारम् कारुण्यालोकलीला शिशिरितभुवनं क्षिप्यतां मय्यनाथे उत्तुङ्गोल्लासिनासं हरिमणिमुकुरप्रोलसद्गण्डपाली व्यालोलत्कर्णपाशाञ्चित मकरमणिकुण्डलद्वन्द्वदीप्रम् उन्मीलद्धन्तपङ्क्तिस्फुरधरुणधरच्छायबिम्बादरान्तः प्रीतिप्रस्यन्ति मन्दस्मितमधुरतरं वक्त्रमुद्भासतां मे बाहुद्वन्द्वेन रत्नोज्ज्वलवलयभृता शोणपाणिप्रवाले नोपातां वेणुनालीं नखमयूखाङ्गुली सङ्गशाराम् कृत्वा वक्त्रारविन्दे सुमधुरविकसद्रागमुद्भाव्यमानैः शब्दब्रह्मामृतैस्त्वं शिशिरितभुवनैः चिञ्च मे कर्णवीथी.
Very nice, excellent. Just in some places, like in the Bahu Dvandvena Kapran, there was a pause. So just few places like that, just check on that. Otherwise, it was very nice, perfect. No other mistake. So.
उत्सर्पत् कौस्तुभश्रीततिभिररुणितं कोमलं कण्ठदेशं वक्षश्रीवत्सरम्यं तरलतरसमुद्दीप्रहारप्रतानं नानावर्णप्रसूनावलिकिसलयिनीं वन्यमालां विलोलल्लोलम्बां लम्बमानामुरसितवतता भावये रत्नमालाम् अंगे पंचांगरागैः अतिशय विकसत् सौरभाकृष्टलोकम् लीनानि लीनानेकत्रिलोकी विततिमपि कृशां बिभ्रतं मध्यवल्लीं शक्रास्मन्यस्तप्तोज्ज्वलकनकनिभं पीतचेलं ददानम् ध्यायामो दीप्तरश्मिस्फुटमणिरशना किङ्कणीमण्डितं त्वाम्.
Sridhar Garu, sir, one second. Yeah, I think now start the next paragraph fresh. I think what happened was you missed that tune. It kept lagging by one. So anyway, yeah, now start. Yeah.
ऊरु चारु तवोरु गणमशृणुरुचौ चित्तचोरौ रमायाः विश्वक्षोभं विशङ्क्य ध्रुवमणिशमुभौ पीतचेलावृताङ्गौ आनम्राणां पुरस्तात् न्यसनद्रुतसमस्तार्तपाली समद्गछायां जानुद्वयं च क्रमपृथिलमनोग्ने च जङ्गे निषेवे.
The last line, sorry, the last line, Sridhar Garu, couple of the, so one is samudgachayam. So I heard chayam, I heard, okay, the last line. And then after that, krama prithula manogne cha jhange nisheve. Can you just say that last line again?
Yeah. Chayam janudvayam cha kramaprutulamanogне cha jange nisheve.
Yep.
Manjiram manjunadairiva padabhajanam shreya ityalapantam padagram branti majjat pranata janamano mandarodhara kurmam uttunga tamra rajan nakarahi makara josnaya chasritanam santapadvantahantrim tatimanu kalaye mangala mangulinam.
Yeah, very good. Excellent. It's very nice. Okay, so we'll get started. Just two more stanzas and then we'll finish this. So Sindhuji and Sridevi Garu. Stanza 10. Yogindranham twadangeshwadika sumadhuram mukti bhajam nivaso bhaktanam kama varshadhyudaru kisalayam nath te padamulam nityam chittasthitham he Bhavanapurapathe Krishna Karunya Sindho Kritva Nisheshatapan Pradishadu Paramananda Sandhoha Lakshmi. So this, like I know, for those who listen to the meaning, right? I think this is a very important chapter because it stands up. Because what this is saying is, amongst all the body parts of you, the one which is most important is the sole of your feet, the very end. Right, the sole of your feet is the most important part because that's where all the liberated ones are existing, and that's the place where whoever is completely surrendering, right, that is going to give them whatever they wish, and that, please protect me. And again, he goes all the way, right? He says, Nishesha Tapan, please remove all my sorrows, O Pavanapurapate, O Lord of Guruvayur, O Krishna, Karunya Sindhu, you are an ocean of compassion, all that. He says that and completes that thing. So that is really literally the end of it. And the 11th stanza is more like, it's like Shama Prarthana type. He's just wrapping it up, but this is pretty much like the end, right? So Yogindranam Twadangesh Vadika. So Twad Angeshu Adika, but it's combined together. So Twadangesh Vadika Sumadhuram, comma, Mukti Bhajam Nivaso, comma, Bhaktanam Kama Varsha Dhyutaru Kisalayam, comma, Natha, and put a comma again, Te Pada Moolam. Again, that after Natha, we're going to pause in this. We're going to pause in a couple of places for emphasis, because when you eventually get this and you're chanting with devotion, you have to feel that, right? You're saying, oh Natha, oh Krishna. So that's why you're going to pause after Natha and then Te Pada Moolam. Yogindranham Twadangeshwadika Sumaduram Mukti Bhajam Nivaso Bhaktanam Kama Varshadhyutaru Kisalayam Nath Te Padamulam.
Yogindranam Twadangeshwadika Sumaduram Mukti Bhajam Nivaso Bhaktanam Kama Varshadhyutaru Kisalayam Natha Te Padamulam. योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्ष्यद्युदरुकिसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्।
योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्षद्युतर्किसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्। योगीन्द्राणां त्वदङ्गेष्वधिकसुमधुरं मुक्तिभाजां निवासो भक्तानां कामवर्ष्यद्युतर्किसलयं नाथ ते पादमूलम्।
नित्यं चित्त स्थितं मे, पवन पुरपते, again, कृष्ण कारुण्य सिंधो, हृत्वा निशेष तापान, प्रदिशतु परमानंद संदोह लक्ष्मीम्। नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपथे कृष्ण कारुण्य सिंधो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानंद संदोह लक्ष्मीम्।
नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्। नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपदे कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्।
नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्। नित्यं चित्तस्थितं मे पवनपुरपते कृष्णकारुण्यसिन्धो हृत्वा निःशेषतापान् प्रदिशतु परमानन्दसन्दोहलक्ष्मीम्।
अष्टंसा अज्ञात्वा ते महत्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेताः स्तोत्रं चैतत्सहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्। द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिचुषधनुषा स्तुत्यता वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः idamiha kurutam ayurarogya saukyam. So here Bhattacharya is kind of saying at the end that, without knowing your greatness, if I have committed any mistakes, if I haven't said the right things, if I haven't written the right way, right? So please forgive me, O Vishwanatha, O Kshametaha, please forgive me for anything I might have done. And then he goes and says that all these things, which is more than 1,000 verses, will be Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. It will be the source of your blessings, right? So that way, whoever chants it, whoever hears this, or whoever is singing this will get the benefit of that. And then he goes on to say Ayur Arogya Saukyam idamiha kurutam. So Ajñatvate Mahatvam, Yadiha Nigaditam, Vishwanatha Kshametaha, Stotram Chaitat Sahasrottaram Adhikataram. If you want to break it, Sahasrottaram Adhikataram Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat. There's no pause there. Ajñatvate Mahatvam Yadiha Nigatitam Vishwanatha Kshametaha Stotram Chaitat Sahasrottaram Adhikataram Tvat Prasadaya Bhuyat.
अज्ञात्वादे महत्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथक्षमेधाः स्तोत्रं चैदसहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्। अज्ञात्वादे महत्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथक्षमेधाः स्तोत्रं चैदसहस्रोत्तरमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्।
अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेताः स्तोत्रं चैतत्सह स्तोत्रमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात् अज्ञात्वा ते महत्त्वं यदिह निगदितं विश्वनाथ क्षमेताः स्तोत्रं चैतत्सह स्तोत्रमधिकतरं त्वत्प्रसादाय भूयात्
द्वेधा नारायणीयं कॉमा श्रुतिषु च जनुषा कॉमा स्तुत्यथा वर्णनेन कॉमा स्फीतं लीलावतारैहि. So that ra that you have after, you have a re after that, after rai, Leelavatarei, you have a re there. So first put a visarga and a comma. So Leelavataraihi, comma. Next becomes e. The re becomes e. So idam iha kurutam ayur arogya saukyam. Dvedha narayaniyam shrutichusha janusha स्तुत्यथा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुताम् आयुरारोग्य सौख्यम्.
द्वेधा नारायणीयं सुदिषु जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुतामायुरारोग्य सौख्यम्. द्वेधा नारायणीयं सुदिषु जनुषा स्तुत्यदा वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुतामायुरारोग्य सौख्यम्.
द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु च जनुषा स्तुत्यता वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुतामायुरारोग्य सौख्यम्. द्वेधा नारायणीयं श्रुतिषु जनुषा स्तुत्यता वर्णनेन स्फीतं लीलावतारैः इदमिह कुरुतामायुरारोग्य सौख्यम्.
Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Wonderful job, every single one of you. I think we started this, and it's always a little bit of a risk or a concern, right, to make sure that people stay through, because everybody has different challenges, and but I'm glad that all of you stuck through it, right? So my duty is over, right? At least the 20 chapters I wanted to teach you all, that is done, right? For at least for this batch, right? For this instance. So now it's up to you all to hopefully keep practicing and keep chanting, and then get the benefits out of it.
We are coming again. We are
absolutely,
coming
absolutely.
again.
Yeah, in the first step is done, right? So
yeah.
Okay.
The difficult part is done.
Difficult part is done. I know. Once you get the momentum, then it's easier,
Yes.
right? It's just getting
Yes.
the initial momentum is the tough part. So
now you cannot escape. We will follow you.
I won't also. Okay. So anyway, so that completes the, yeah.
Thank you so much for that.
Oh, no problem at all. My pleasure, right? So that completes the Narayaniyam portion. Now, generally, because Narayaniyam is a condensation of Bhagavatam, what we are now going to do is talk about Narayana Kavacham. So Narayana Kavacham is part of Bhagavatam itself. It comes in Bhagavatam, right? At the very end, it says, Shashtaskande Narayana Varma Katam Nama Ashtamo Dhyayaha. So in the 6th canto, 8th chapter is Narayana Kavacham, right? So this Narayana Kavacham is happening because Indra's, the Deva's guru is Brihaspati, and I'll send the meaning for the entire Kavacham separately. I'll send it out at the very end, right? So I'm not going to go through it at every line, but just the context is Indra's, Deva's guru Brihaspati. One day Indra is sitting and Brihaspati comes. Indra does not respect. So Brihaspati leaves the Devas and goes. So now Indra becomes weak. So when that happens, Shukracharya and others with Asuras are getting more powerful. So Indra goes and says, he goes and apologizes and says, what can I do? I need to get strength to now go defeat the Asuras. So at that time, he is recommended you go to Vishwarupa. And with that Vishwarupa, you go and he's going to teach you this Narayana Kavacham. And then you chant that Kavacham anytime you're in a state of fear, and that will go away. Vishwarupa is teaching this to Indra. And then Shukha Brahman And then Parikshit is going and asking Shukabrahman, oh, Indra became weak. What happened? How did he fight back? So then Shukabrahman says, so let me tell you the story of how Indra then became strong and then defeated the Asuras. And then he goes on to chant. That's when the beginning of this, it says Rajo Vacha, that Raja here is referring to Parikshit. And then it comes Sri Shuka Vacha, which means then Shukabrahman is telling, let me tell you the story. And later on, he's telling it as if in first person. So Vishwarupa Vacha. Then it goes on to what Vishwarupa is teaching Indra, right? So that is Narayana Kavacham. And I know a lot of you know multiple other Kavachams, right? Whether it be Kanda Shashti Kavacham or Devi Kavacham, Ayyappan Kavacham, right? So this is like any other Kavacham, right? It goes through every part of your body and then says, oh Lord, come and protect this part of my body, this part of my body, and all that stuff. So this is, but this is just something I also love. I've learned it long time back and I chant it every day. So this is something I like, but you can stick to whatever Kavacham you also learn. So we'll go. So the way I've done this, like I sent you in the printouts, is there are some portions in there which are Vishwarupa is telling how you need to do. So it's actually the Nyasam portion, but he's actually telling, do this, right? So it's no use in us chanting, do this. We have to actually do that. So that's why I've stuck a few lines, right? Or I highlighted in yellow, and then I given instruction. So I will teach you the Nyasam instructions, right? As we're doing this. So we'll go through that slowly. Okay. So first one. So I'll chant it and then we'll split it like we did. So here what I'll do for simplicity is there are 2 lines and I'll break each of the line into half. So it will be like 4 parts. But in some places we'll say it continuously, but in most places we'll break it into half so you can say it easily. Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridhan Hiva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam. So Rajo Vacha Yaya Guptaha. So put a is there to join. Guptas Sahasrakshaha. So you can put a comma there. Sahasrakshaha. Next word Savahan Ripu Sainikan. It's easy to break it that way. Savahan Ripu Sainikan Kridan Niva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam. Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niba Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam.
Rajo Vaja Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niba Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam. Yaya Gupta Rajovaja Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam.
Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam. Rajo Vacha Yaya Gupta Sahasrakshah Savahan Ripusainikan Kridan Niva Vinirjitya Trilokya Bhubuje Shriyam.
Bhagavamstan. So say until then. Bhagavamstan Mamakyahi, comma, Varma Narayanatmakam. One word, Narayanatmakam. Yatha Athathayina. So in Sanskrit, you'll have the double S, double R is coming. So Yatha Athathayina, Athathayinaha is there. So put a ish to join. Yatha Athathayina Shatrun, comma, Yena Gupto Jayan. So they say that together, Gupto Jayan Mride. Bhagavam Stan Mamakyahi Varmanarayanatmakam Yatha Tathahina Shatrun Yena Gupto Jayan Mridhe.
Bhagavam Stan Mamakyahi Varmanarayanatmakam Yatha Gadayina Shatrun Yena Gupto Jayan Mridhe. Bhagavam Stan Mamakyahi Varmanarayanatmakam Yatha Adadayina Shatrun येन गुप्तो जयन्मृधे
भगवंस्तन्माख्याहि वर्मनारायणात्मकं यथा अततायिनः शत्रून् येन गुप्तो जयन्मृधे भगवंस्तन्माख्याहि वर्मनारायणात्मकं यथा अततायिनः शत्रून् येन गुप्तो जयन्मृधे.
Shri Shuka Vacha Vritaha. So put the if there. Vritah Purohitas Twashtro. So tra, tr sound. Purohitas Twashtro, comma. Mahendrayanu Prichate Narayanakyam Varmaha, comma. Tadihaika Manaha. So put a ish there. Manash Shrunu. Shri Shukavacha Britah Purohitastwashtro Mahendra Yanu Prichate Narayanakyam Varmaha Tadihaika Manashrunu.
Sri Shugavaja Vridappurohidastvashtro Mahendrayanupricchade Narayanakyam Varmaha Tadihaigamanasrunu. Sri Shugavaja Vridappurohidastvashtro Mahendrayanupricchade Narayanakyam Varmaha Tadihaigamanasrunu.
Shri Shuka Uvacha Vritah Purohitastwashtro Mahendrayanupricchate Narayanakyam Varmaha Tadihaikamanashrunu. Shri Shuka Uvacha Vritah Purohitastwashtro Mahendrayanupricchate Narayanakyam Varmaha Tadihaikamanashrunu.
So the next one from Vishwarupa Vacha till the end of the 7th, which is Murdhani, right? So you don't have to chant it, but I'll walk through the steps, right? So like it says wash your feet and hands like you normally for any prayers, right? Wash everything. And then sit on a seat facing north. So these are the instructions he's telling. And then he says, chant Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya and imagine a shield protecting your body, protecting your family or whoever, right? So you kind of chant it in your mind, Om Namo Bhagavate, and we won't do this every step here in the class, but I'm just teaching you so you know. So Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 11 times, right? Next, what you have to do is the Om Namo Narayanaya, that we're going to break every aksharam out of it, right? And first you say Om, and then you meditate on your feet. So, or you can touch your feet if it's easy for you that way, right? So touch your feet or meditate on it and imagine, say the letter Om in your mind. Then you come up a little bit, touch your knees and say Na on your knees. Then thighs, Mo. Then in your belly, Na. Heart, Ra. Chest, Ya. Face, Na. Head, Ya. Right? So Om Namo Narayanaya. So touch each of the parts of the body and imagine that letter. And then I forgot to add another instruction there in my PDFs. You can write it there. Do the same thing in reverse now. So that's what he says. So he says, now start with your head and say Ya, face, Na. So whatever you did, do the entire thing in reverse. Okay. And then I'll pause after this to see if anybody has any questions. And then once you do that, then imagine your whole body and say Om Namo Narayanaya for the full body. Right? Any questions?
Or a small request. I got a mantra updation from our Acharyan in Ahobila Madam. So what he said was, women should not say the pranavam. So instead of the pranavam, we have to say Every woman have to say instead of pranavam. Yeah. So
that I agree. I've also heard it, and I didn't want to I didn't want to say that or force it. But I also heard a lot of people saying women should not say the pranava mantram, but everybody's saying in everything, right? Whether it be Vishnu Sahasranamam or everything, I hear people saying. So that's why I'm not forcing one way or the other. So I'll leave it up to people's preferences, right? Or whatever they follow. to
It's
decide
just
on that.
like that I want to share.
ஓம் பதிலா அம் சொல்லணுமா சுபா?
ஆமா, ஓமுக்கு பதிலா they say you should say அப்படின்னு. Whether it be
Woman,
Vishnu
only
Sahasranamam
woman.
or anything, that's what they say.
Anyway. Yeah. Thank
Can
you.
you explain one more time, Rajesh ji, what does it?
Instead of Om, you have to say
So I think Sindhuji, that is a general, not for Narayana Kavacham specifically, it's for in general. In general, they say that Pranava Mantram, women should not say, that is one school of thought, that women should not say that, and instead they can say it instead of the Pranava Mantram, is the thing. So, but like I said, is, I leave it up to each of you to follow whatever you follow, right, on that particular thing. So,
And one question, Rajesh ji, when we chant this, the 11 times Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, we are saying it loud, right?
no, all of this you can say it in your mind only. So,
Oh, okay.
yeah. Oh no, like I'm assuming this is when you are chanting for yourself, right? When you're sitting and chanting or praying for that matter, you just imagine a shield on your mind and you can say it in your mind itself. Or if you want to say it out loud, that's also fine. But you can just close your eyes and visualize the shield, right? Like a kavacham protecting your body, and then you say it 11 times.
So when you do the reverse பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னேன் இல்லையா? So திருப்பி feetல இருந்து திருப்பி head to feet
Head,
போறோமா?
yeah, you start ya, na, ya, ra, na. You just literally go reverse.
So from head to toe again.
From head to toe, yes. First you start from feet to head, then you go head to feet, reverse. Okay, anybody else, any question before we go to the next? Okay, so the next one is kind of the Karanyasam, which is kind of you're purifying, you're invoking into your hand, right? So that the way you normally do it is you first take your middle finger and then roll it up your thumb. The general Karanyasam rule is you take your middle finger, roll it up your thumb, which is the first one, Om, right? The first letter. This is Om Namo Narayana again. So again, thumb, roll it up, Om. Then once you do that, then all the other fingers you touch with your thumb. So first you're doing it into your thumb, then everything else you touch with your thumb. So if you can see my thing, index finger, you say na, right? So you kind of use your thumb and then roll it up your index finger, right? That's na. Then you go to the middle finger, that is mo, right? Then ring finger, na.
Na.
Right? And then little finger, your pinky, ra.
Ra.
Okay, and then inside your palms, that is the ya.
Yeah.
And then outside is the ya, na, and then ya. Sorry. So that's what I've said. So inside the palms, outside the palms is na, and then you kind of close it up with ya. So first to start with your thumb, use the middle finger to roll it up the thumb, and then use your thumb to go through each of the fingers, right? The 4 fingers. Then inside of your palm, then the outside of your palm, and then just hold the Namaskara Mudra, right? At the very end for Om Namo Narayana. So that is the Karanyasam. Any question? I think the people who Sridevi Garu and others who do Devi Matman, they're familiar with this.
And the first சொல்லுங்க எப்படி thumbல இருந்து the Om எப்படி பண்ணனும்?
So middle finger, with your middle finger,
oh,
you go to the bottom of your thumb, right? Bottom of your thumb, and then you normally slide it up the finger. Okay. Then you take the thumb and then go from the bottom of the finger and roll it up, slide it up the finger. That's the general rule for Karanyasam. In anything you're chanting, if you're doing a Karanyasam, that's the general thing. That's the first thing you do is Karanyasam, and then you go to the Anganyasam, which is the next one. So this one is it. Here it says Om, and then it says touch the heart, right? That's the first one. Then V, it says touch the head. This is Om Vishnave Nama. That's what it is saying here. So V is touch the head. Sh is the middle of the eyes, right? And then Na is the top, the kind of the mula, the top, the middle of the head at the top, right? That is the Na. Ve, touch both your eyes. Ve. Next, Na is touching your joints. So first start with your shoulder joints, then go to your elbow, right? Then go to your wrist, then go to your waist, then you go down to your knees, and then you go down to your ankles, right? So at every time, keep saying na, na, na at each of those joints when you're touching. And then Ma is kind of all over the body, right? Ma is kind of wrapping up all over the body. And then look in 6 directions, right? So first you look north, right? And say Ma Astraya Phat. Ma Astraya Phat. So first look north, then you kind of go in all directions, south, east, west, then look up and look down. So you kind of cover the 6 things. And for each of them, keep saying Ma Astraya Phat for each of those things.
Rajesh, before starting this Anganyasam, do we have to say Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 11 times?
No, that we already said before, right? After you said the Sri Shuka Vacha at the end of it, we then said Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya 11 times.
Okay. So what is the meaning of Astraya Phat means? What is
So it's just saying protect me from like, so it's like it's protect me in all directions.
Oh, okay.
That's the purpose of that.
So each direction when we look, we have to say that?
Yeah, each direction you say Ma Astraya Phat, Ma Astraya Phat, Ma Astraya Phat. In each direction.
louder sollanuma, let her meditate.
You can just meditate and say this in your mind. You don't have to say it out loud at all. You can just meditate it in your mind.
அப்புறம் அந்த ஒவ்வொரு இதையும் பாடி டச் பண்ணும்போது ஏதாவது ஸ்பெசிபிக் வரலாம் let her touch the heart இது வேணா.
No, I think generally that touch the heart, you just touch it with your hand. Generally touch it with your hand only. I don't think there's any specific thing. Unless somebody has a recommendation or suggestion, I think generally you just touch it with your hand only. And because sometimes you're doing 2 eyes, you can touch it with both your hands, or 2 shoulders. For example, touching the shoulder joints, you may have to use both your hands, right? And touch the joints.
அந்த இன்னொன்னு போட்டிருக்கேன் ராஜேஷ், விஸ்வரூப வாச்ச தேவதாங்கிரி பாணி ராச்சம்ய சபவித்ர.
Yeah, so that's the one. No, that Vishwarupa Vacha all the way through Om Vishnave Namaiti, right? 10.
The Sanskrit chanting.
Yeah, that you don't chant. So once you finish the 3, which is Tadihaika Manashrunu, right? You finish to 3, right? You chant the 3, and then from 4 to 10, don't chant those things. Actually, do these things.
Oh, okay. So
because the chant is telling is, yeah, it's telling him. He's saying, oh, first you start doing this, and he's telling Indra to do all these things. So you have to. That's why you have to do these things and not just chant it. If it's chanting, you can chant it, but it doesn't serve any purpose. It is actually literally telling, sit and do this, right? So that's why you have to do that, right, till the end of 10. Any questions so far?
In the Nyasam instructions, Rajesh.
Yeah. No, and the audio recording I'm literally walking through this instruction. So you will get the instructions in the audio recording anyways.
Narayana Kavacham, do you need to tell every day?
No, it's your choice.
No, what is the best practice? I'm asking.
So the best practice at the very end, it says, the stanza where it says, for 41, it says, Ya idham shunuyat khale. At any time you are afraid,
Okay.
or you are fearful, or you are worried about something,
Okay.
then Sri Shuka says you chant it. So that's what they say is you, anytime you are in fear or you're afraid or you're worried about anything, then you go chant it. That's the minimum lowest common time when you chant it, right?
Okay.
Okay. Otherwise, you can chant it every day, like any other kavacham, right? And this is very small. It only takes like maximum 5 minutes. Once you know it, it will be less than 5 minutes to chant it, right? Any questions so far on the Nyasam portion? Okay. All right. So we'll continue from 11, right? So Atmanam. So we now everything before that, I know for those Telugu like Sridevi Garu, Jyoti and others, Madhavi Garu, I hope you guys have the instructions, right? You know which one.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right.
And
If
then we
any-
have this video and we will follow the video again.
Okay. No, I'll send the audio also. But if any of you have made a new PDF with Telugu, can you please send it over to me? Then I can just use it.
I'm working on it, Rajesh Garu. I
Okay.
will send it once I'm done.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Thank you.
Rajesh ji, do we say the Om Vishnave
Yeah.
Namaiti?
Om Vishnave Namaiti. I will say that number 10, right? So after you do the Ma Astraya Phat, then you close it out with Om Vishnave Namaiti, right? So that completes the 10th one. And then we'll start with the 11th. Atmanam paramam dhyayet. So I think the dhya that you have, you're going to break it. So first you say dhyayet and then put a comma. And then the next one, you move the dha into the next word. So dhyayam shat shakti bhiryutam. So dhyayet, comma, dhyayam shat shakti bhiryutam. Vidya tejas tapo murtim. And you can put a comma there. Next word, imam. So imam mantram udahare. Mantram udahare, so mantram udahare together. Atmanam paramham dhyayet dhyayam shat shakti bhiryutam vidya tejas tapo murtim imam mantram udaharet.
Atmanam paramam dhyayet dhyayam shat shaktibiryudam vidyadejastavo murtim imam mantram udahare. Atmanam paramam dhyayet dhyayam shat shaktibiryudam vidyadejastavo murtim imam mantram udahare.
Atmanam paramam dhyayet dhyayam shatshakti biryutam vidya tejastapo murtim mimam mantra mudaharet.
Imam, because you're ending with murtim, it becomes imam mantra
Oh,
mudaharet.
imam, sorry. Yeah. Atmanam paramam dhyayet dhyayam shatshakti biryutam vidya tejastapo murtim imam mantra mudaharet.
Sridevi, compared to Matruka Nyasam and others, this is fairly simple.
And
Like, you were asking for like audio and you said you listen to the video. I'm like, this is like straightforward, right? You know,
I know,
more than
right?
that. So anyway,
Matrika Nyasa, we used to do Astra, but now here we just say it, right? We don't do anything.
yeah.
Yes.
So Om Harir Vidhadyan Mama Sarva Raksham, comma Nyastangri Padmaha. So put a if there. Nyastangri Padmah Pata Gendra Prishthe Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa, and then put a plus there. Chapa Pashan Dhadhanoshta. So say that together. Dhadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham Nyastangri Padmah Padagendra Prishthe Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu.
Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarvaraksham Nyastam Grivatma Padagendra Prishte Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Japa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarvaraksham Nyastam Grivatma Padagendra Prishte Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Japa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu.
Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham Nastram Gri Padmaf Patagendra Prushte Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu. Om Harir Vidadhyan Mama Sarva Raksham Nyastam Gri Padmaf Patagendra Prushte Darari Charmasi Gadeshu Chapa Pashan Dadhanoshta Gunoshta Bahuhu.
So up to this 12, it is the 11 and 12 are general, you're meditating kind of prayer, saying you protect me with your 8 weapons and you have 8 qualities. And from 13 is where individual, now you, and some of you people who can understand the words, you will see that he'll start saying, requesting each place in each part, right? That will start coming from now on. So Jaleshu Mam Rakshatu Matsya Murtihi. So in the next word ya, there will be ir on top. So remove the top and put a visarga and a comma. Matsya murtihi, comma. Yado ganebhyo varunasya phashat staleshu maya vatu vamano vyath, comma. Trivikramaha. So put the ich sound. Trivikramah khevatu vishwarupaha. Jaleshu mam rakshatu matsya murtihi yado ganebhyo varunasya phashat stadeshu maya vatuvamano vyat trivikramah khevatu vishwarupaha.
जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशाद् स्थलेषु माया वडुवामनो व्याद् त्रिविक्रमखेवतु विश्वरूपः जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशाद् स्थलेषु माया वडुवामनो व्याद् त्रिविक्रमखेवतु विश्वरूपः
जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु मायावटुवामनो व्यात् त्रिविक्रमः केवात् विश्वरूपः केवतु जलेषु मां रक्षतु मत्स्यमूर्तिः यादो गणेभ्यो वरुणस्य पाशात् स्थलेषु मायावटुवामनो व्यात् त्रिविक्रमः केवतु विश्वरूपः
दुर्गेश वठ व्याजी मुखादिषु प्रभुः, comma, पायान नृसिंहो, which is Narasimha. Another way of saying Narasimha is Nrisimha. That's the other way of saying. So Payan Nrisimho Sura together. So Payan Nrisimho Sura Yuta Parihi. Bimun.
Is it Payal L or N?
In Payan.
Okay, my book has it as L.
Let me just check. I have the Bhagavatam reference here. So this is
I think in my Bhagavatam
it's
like that.
let me just check. Yeah, so it's Payat plus Nrisimha, so it becomes double na. So it is a it Payat plus Nrisimha, but when you say it together, it becomes double na. Okay. So Payat. Vimunchato yasya Mahattahasam, double t is coming there. Mahattahasam, comma. Disho Binedhur Nyapatamscha. If you want to say it, break it. Binedhur Nyapatamscha Garbhaha. Durgesh Bata Vyaji Mukadishu Prabhu Payan Nrisimho Surayuta Parihi Vimunchato Yasya Mahattahasam Disho Vinedurnyapatamscha Garbhaha.
Durgeshwadavyaji Mughadishu Prabhu Payan Nrisimho Surayudhabarihi Vimunjado Yasya Mahattahasam Disho Vinerdurnyapadamscha Garbhaha. Durgeshwadavyaji Mughadishu Prabhu Payan Nrisimho Surayudhabarihi Vimunjado Yasya Mahattahasam Disho Vinerdurnyapadamscha Garbhaha.
दुर्गेश्वटव्याजि मुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहो सरयूथ पारिः विमुञ्चते यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनेदुर्न्यपतंश्च गर्भाः.
Vimunchato, second name.
दुर्गेश्वटव्याजि मुखादिषु प्रभुः पायान् नृसिंहो सरयूथ पारिः विमुञ्चतो यस्य महाट्टहासं दिशो विनोदुर्न्यपतंश्च गर्भाः.
Rakshat Vasau Madhvani Yajna Kalpaha, comma, Swadhamshtra Yonitha dharo. So double na there. Yonitha dharo varahaha. Ramodri. You can say it together up to that. Ramodri kuteshvata vipravase, comma. Sa Lakshmano vyad. So say that together. Sa Lakshmano vyad bharatagrajosman. Okay. Sa Lakshmano vyad bharatagrajosman. Rakshatva saumadhvani yajna kalpaha swadham strayonita dharo varahaha ramodri kuteshvata vipravase sa Lakshmano vyad bharatagrajosman.
रक्षत्व सौमाध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोनि ददरो वराहः रामोद्रिगूढेष्वद विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणो व्याद्भरदाग्रजोऽस्मान् रक्षत्व सौमाध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोनि ददरो वराहः रामोद्रिगूढेष्वद विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणो व्याद्भरदाग्रजोऽस्मान्
रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोन्नीत दरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे स लक्ष्मणो व्यात् भरताग्रजोऽस्मान् रक्षत्वसौ माध्वनि यज्ञकल्पः स्वदंष्ट्रयोन्नीत दरो वराहः रामोद्रिकूटेष्वत विप्रवासे Salakshmano vyat bharatagrajosman.
Next one. Mam ugra dharmat akilat. If you want to break it, you can either say Mam ugra dharmat akilat together, or if you want to break it, it will be Mam ugra dharmat akilat. Okay, if you want to break it into multiple. Next, pramadhat. So you have a double na. If you have double na narayana, right? You remove one of that and put a it first. So pramadhat and put a comma. Next one just becomes one na. So narayanaha is there. And then put a if to join. Narayana patu narascha hasat. Dattas tvayoga datha yoga nathaha, comma, payat guneshaha is there, so put a ich to join. Payat gunesha kapilaha, again put a ich sound. Kapilah karma bandhat. Mam ugra dharmadakilat pramadhat narayana patu narashchahasat Dattastva yoga dhata yoga natah payat guneshah kapilah karma bandhat.
Mamugra dharma dhagilal pramadat narayana padu narashchahasat datvasta yoga dada yoga nadaha payat guneshah kapilah karma bandhat. Mamugra dharma dhagilal pramadat Narayana padu narashchahasat dadvasta yoga dada yoga nadaha payat gunesha kabilat karma bandhan.
Sindhuji, the second line, it's dattas. There is no va or ya. The first word, dattas.
So dattas twa, right?
Yeah, after that the tua is coming. But the first word is datta. I think you were saying dattua or something I heard.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so that's okay.
Mamugra dharma dakilat pramadat narayana patu narashchahasat dattastva yoga data yoga nataha payat guneshah kapilah karma bandhat. Mamugra dharma dakilat pramadat narayana patu narashchahasat dattastva yoga data yoga nataha payat guneshah kapilah karma bandhat.
Sanat kumarovatu together. Kumarovatu kama devat. So again, if you have a double the, first you put a it, kama devat, and then a comma. the next word becomes ha, hayashirsha. So don't ask me why it and ha is becoming a double there. That's how it is the rule. So first is kama devat, comma. Next word is hayashirsha mam pati deva helanath. Devarshi varyaha. So put the if to join. Devarshi varyah purusharcha nantarat, comma. Kurmo harir mam nirayada sheshat. Sanat kumaro vatu kamadevat hayashirsha mam pati deva helanat. Devarshi varyah purusharchanantarat. Kurmo harir mam nirayada sheshat.
Sanat Kumaro Vadugama Devad Hayashirsha Mambadi Deva Helanad Devarshivarya Purusharchanandarad Kurmo Harirmam Nirayada Sheshad. Sanat Kumaro Vadugama Devad Hayashirsha Mambadi Deva Helanad Devarshivarya Purusharchanandarad Kurmo Harirmam Nirayada Sheshad.
Sanat Kumaro Vatukama Devat Hayashirsha Mam Pati Deva Helanath Devarshivarya Purusharchanantarat Kurmo Harirmam Nirayada Sheshat. Sanat Kumaro Vatukama Devat Hayashirsha Mam Pati Deva Helanath Devarshivarya Purusharchanantarat Kurmo Harirmam Nirayada Sheshat.
Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patva Patyath. Again, like last time, put the it there. Patva Patyath, comma. And then comma after Patyath. Next word, Dvandvad. So Dvandvad. And I don't know how which the language you're following and how text is written, but for those who are following Sanskrit, Dvandvad Bhaya. The next to the bha is coming below that. So Dvandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma. Okay, so Patva Patyat, comma, Dvandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma. Yajnascha Lokat Avatha. If you want to break it, or you can say it together, Lokad Avata, that's also fine. So Lokad Avathaj Jananthat. So everywhere, because you're breaking it in the middle, it is ending with the it, right? So here also Yajnascha Lokad Avathaj Jananthat, and then a comma. Next to start with the ba, Balo Ganat Krodha Vashada Hindraha. I'll pause to see if anybody has any questions. So first one is Patva Patyat, comma, Dvandvat Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma. Yajnascha Lokad Avathaj Janantat Balo Ganat Krodha Vashada Hindraha. Then I think because if you look at if you are able to find a regular Bhagavatam text, you can also do that. That one has little bit, the text is easier to understand. Here in this script that I've sent, at least for Sanskrit, is what happens is they've merged a lot of the letters and all this together. So some people find it very tough to chant, right? So if you find an alternate text which is there in Bhagavatam book, then absolutely feel free to do that, right? Because sometimes the text there are easier to read versus this PDF that I got. So, or some Narayaniam books itself have Kavacham also, so it's easier. Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patva Patyat Dvandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma Yajnascha Lokad Avatat Janantat Balo Ghanat Krodha Vashada Hindraha.
Dhanvantarir Bhagavan Patva Patyat Dvandvad Bhaya Drishabho Nirjitatma Yajnascha Lokad Avatat Janantat Balo Ghanat Krodha Vashada Hindraha. धन्वन्तरिर्भगवान् पात्वपद्याद् द्वन्द्वाद् भयाद् ऋषभो निर्जिदात्मा यज्ञश्च लोगादवदात् जनान्दात् बलो गणात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः
धन्वन्तरिर्भगवान् पात्वपत्यात् द्वन्द्वान् द्वन्द्वाद्भयादृषभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकादवता जनान्तात् बलो गणात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः धन्वन्तरिर्भगवान् पात्वपत्यात् द्वन्द्वाद्भयादृषभो निर्जितात्मा द्वन्द्वाद्भयादृषभो निर्जितात्मा यज्ञश्च लोकादवता जनान्तात् बलो गणात् क्रोधवशादहीन्द्रः
Dvaipayano. Next word, Bhagavan Aprabodha is there. You can break it. Bhagavan Aprabodha if you want to break it. So Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat Bodhat, and then you can put a plus there. Buddhastu Pakhanda. Some books have Gana Pramadhat. I think the PDF also has Gana Pramadhat, but we changed it to Ganat Pramadhat.
Is it Pashanda?
Pakhanda.
Pakhanda.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Pakhanda. Gana Pramadhat. That's what the PDF will have, but change it to Ganat Pramadhat. Kalkihi is there. So put the ih to join. Kalkih. Kalehe. Again, ih to join. Kalkih. Kale. Kala. Malat. Prapatu. Comma. Dharma. Banayoru. Kritavataraha. So I think the first line is together, and then the Gana Pramadhat, Ghanat Pramadhat. Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat Buddhastu Pakhanda Ghanat Pramadhat Kalkih Kaleh Kala Malat Prapatu Dharma Vanayoru Kritavataraha.
Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat Buddhastu Pakhanda Ghanat Pramadhat Kalki Kale Kalamalat Prabhadu Dharmavanayoru Krudavadaraha. Dvaipayano Bhagavan Aprabodhat Buddhastu Pakhanda Ghanat Pramadhat Kalki Kale Kalamalat Prabhadu Dharmavanayoru Krudavadaraha.
Dvaipayano Bhagavan Prabodhat Buddhastu Pakhanda Ganat Pramadat Kalkih Kale Kalamalat Prapat Dharma Vanayoru Krutavataraha. Dvaipayano Bhagavan Prabodhat Buddhastu Pakhanda Ganat Pramadat Kalkih Kale Kalamalat Prapat Dharma Vanayoru Krutavataraha.
Mam Keshavo Gadaya Pratarabhyat. Again, it there, put the it and a comma. You can either say Pratar Avyat or Pratarabhyat together, comma. Next one becomes Govinda. So Govinda Asangha Vamatha Venuhu. Next, Narayanaha is there. So put a if there. Narayana Prahna Udhata Shaktihi. So put a Visarga and a comma, Shaktihi. Then on top of that ma, if you have a error, you can remove that. Madhyandhine. Next word, you can break it and say Vishnur Arindra Panihi if you want to break it, or Vishnu Arindra Panihi together. Either is fine.
இதுல அந்த ஹாக் உள்ள வந்து நான் போட்டுருக்கு சமஸ்கிருதத்துல.
Yeah, so அந்த இடத்துல என்ன, it's the way when herk adil and na whenever it comes, right? The general rule of thumb is you kind of have to say it like N and H together. If you were saying N and H together, you will not say pran ha. It's not a full ha, but it's like na. It's like N and H together. So pran. right? And the na cholumbodhu, just a little bit of that ha sound has to come, but it's not pran ha. It's not pran ha because it's not a full ha. That's right. This happens only when the na is coming under the ha. Okay. Mam keshavo gadaya prataravyat govinda asangava mata venuhu narayana prana udhatta shaktihi madhyandhine vishnurarindra panihi.
Mam keshavo gadaya pradarivyad govinda asangavamatta venuhu narayana prana udatta shaktihi madhyandine vishnurarindra panihi. Mam keshavo gadaya pradarivyad govinda asangavamatta venuhu narayana prana udatta shaktihi madhyandine vishnurarindra panihi.
Mam keshavo gadaya prataravyat govinda asangava mata venuhu narayana pranha buddhata shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindra panihi. Mam keshavo gadaya prataravyat govinda asangava mata venuhu narayana pranha buddhata shaktihi madhyandine vishnur arindra panihi.
So in the, especially this her and na, which is going to come again also, this comes in vanni, right? Comes a lot. And it's a very controversial word. I can tell you that much, because you can Google and say, put that word and say, should it be N first and H later, or H first and N later? Depending on what you search, you will get those hits. So I don't even know what is the right thing, because both, there are people who argue on both sides. So what I kind of do is, I just, when I, like for Sridevi Garu and others know, so in Devi Matnyam, at least when it is the Bhanni comes, when I listen to the recording, at least of the guru who taught there, it kind of, just for that, it's N and the H. So it's not Vahni, it's not Vanhi, it's neither of those. It's Vanhi. So that the one, the in, and then the her, half of that her sound comes later. If you can say it that way. If you're not able to say it that way, then feel comfortable. Whatever you are comfortable saying, do it that, because I don't know what is right either.
So in
Just
this
that one
case,
letter.
so in this case, it's a pranha.
Prana. So it's prana. So it's it's an N and a H. So when you're saying it, the sound comes from your nose. It's because when I asked Raghu and others, right? So that's what he said.
Yeah.
Sound kind of comes from the nose, prana. And you say that N and H comes together, sound of, you can see the air coming out of your nose a little bit, right? So that's the ideal right way to say it. If you know. Anyway, the next one also the same thing is there. So Devo Parane, it's again the her and the na is coming under that. Devo Parane Madhuhogra Dhanva, comma, Sayam Tridha Mabatu Madhavo Mam Doshe Hrishikesha Udardha Ratre, comma, Nishita Ekovatu Padmanabha. Devo Parane Madhuhogradhanva Sayam Tridhamavatu Madhavo Mam Doshe Hrishikesha Udardharatre Nishita Ekovatu Padmanabha.
Devo Parane Madhuhogradhanva Sayam Tridhamavadu Madhavo Mam Doshe Rishikesha Udardharatre Nishida Ego Vadu Padmanabha. Devo Parane Madhuhogradhanva Sayam Tridhamavadu Madhavo Mam Doshe Rishikesha Udardharatre Nishida Ego Vadu Padmanabha.
Devo Paranhe Madhuhogradhanva Sayam Tridhamavatu Madhavo Mam Doshe Hrishikesha Utardha Ratre Nishita Eko Vatu Padmanabha. Devo Paranhe Madhuhogradhanva Sayam Tridhamavatu Madhavo Mam Doshe Hrishikesha Utardha Ratre Nishita Eko Vatu Padmanabha.
Huh?
ஏகோஸ் வதுன்னு போட்டிருக்கு. ஏகோஸ் வது.
Sorry, Shobha, கேட்க மாட்டேங்குதே நீங்க பேசுறதே.
ஏகோஸ் வதுன்னு போட்டிருக்கு. இல்ல, அது மாத்தமா?
Devosa.
We
ஏகோஸ்
can't
வது.
hear.
Yeah, for some reason we're not able to hear you at all. I don't know why. We can see that we can hear that you're
Rajesh.
talking, but we can't hear you clearly.
இல்ல
Oh,
தமிழ்ல ஏகோ அந்த இஸ் வருது.
ஏகோஸ்
ஏகோஸ்
வதுன்னு
பத்.
வந்திருக்கு.
In the line, see, okay, that is on the, see, that like I said, it's a Sanskrit thing, but I don't know why it's there in Tamil also. It is eko avatu is the two words, right? Eka avatu is the two words. But on the, when you're having that o coming with the a next to it, it becomes one word. You don't explicitly break it. You don't say eko avatu. It is actually it's a a, not a s, right? But they write it that way because it's not a full a. It's not eko avatu. It becomes eko vatu together.
ஏகோஸ் வத்து கிடையாது. ஏகோஸ் வத்து இல்லவே இல்லை. கரெக்ட்டா?
Yeah, that's what. There's no is there. It's
Okay,
a s. The sign is that of a s. That's what is
Got
there in Sanskrit. I didn't realize it was also there in Tamil. So thanks.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so we'll just do one more and stop today. Srivatsa Dhama Pararatra Ishaha, comma. Next word is Pratyusha. I think the PDF I sent in Sanskrit at least has Pratyusha. So change it to Yusha, long U. So Pratyusha Ishosi. So again, same thing here. That S kind of symbol might be coming here. So Pratyusha Ishosi Dharo Janardhanaha Damodaro Vyat Anusandhyam. If you want to break it, you can break it at the Damodaro Vyat Anusandhyam or Damodaro Vyadhanusandhyam together. Prabhate, comma, Vishweshwaro Bhagavan Kalamurtihi. Srivatsadhama Pararatraishah Pratyusha Ishosidharo Janardhanaha Damodaro Vyadhanusandhyam Prabhate Vishweshwaro Bhagavan Kalamurtihi.
श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्यूष ईशोऽसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्यूष ईशोऽसिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः
श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्यूष ईशो शिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः श्रीवत्सधामा पररात्र ईशः प्रत्यूष ईशो शिधरो जनार्दनः दामोदरो व्यादनुसन्ध्यं प्रभाते विश्वेश्वरो भगवान् कालमूर्तिः.
We'll stop here. Shri Krishnaya Parabrahmane Namaha. Sandhanandhavabodhatmakamanupamitam Kaladeshavadebhyam Nirmuktam Nityamuktam Nigamashata Sahasrena Nirbhasyamanam Aspashtam Drishtamatre Punarurupurushartatmakam Brahmatattvam Tattavad Bhadi Sakshat Guru Pavanapure Hanta Bhagyam Jananam Kahena Vacha Manasendriyerva Buddhyatmana va Prakrite Swabhavat Karomi Yatyat Sakalam Parasmai Narayanahi Samarpayami.